There is a debate that's been going on in Mexican kitchens for generations. Lard or butter? Traditional or modern? Which one makes the better tortilla? Today we're settling this once and for all. Same recipe, same technique, two different fats. Let's see what happens. Lard or butter? That's the question. Making tortillas today. Okay, down to business. Mix in 5 cups flour, 1 cup lard, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 2 cups warm water. Mix for 5 minutes. Today I'm using Morel, it's a better brand. Kneading develops the gluten structure. The dough becomes elastic and smooth. This step determines everything: the texture, the flexibility, how well they'll hold together. As you can see, this is not ready yet. It needs to rest. Good 15 minutes. Now, butter batch. 2.5 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 stick softened butter, and 1 cup warm water. Same process. After 15-20 minutes, the gluten relaxes. The dough becomes workable and cooperative. We're gonna make 15 portions from the lard batch. The consistency is firmer and has more resistance. Butter dough divides easily, noticeably softer to the touch. And we will make only 8 pieces of this. Let's divide into 15 pieces, and you don't have to be perfect. Fun begins. Rolling reveals their personalities. The lard dough has a memory. It springs back, requires pressure. This is what traditional tortilla makers have worked with for centuries. The butter dough extends with less efforts. The higher fat content affects how it behaves and makes it more pliable. Medium heat, dry pan. The lard tortillas develop char marks quickly. Steam creates internal layers, and watch those bubbles form and rise. The browning tells you the sugars in the flour are caramelizing. The butter tortillas behave differently on heat. More immediate puffing. The browning is lighter, more even. Faster cooking time overall. I made a few outside on a cast iron grill. This is how it's been done for generations. High heat, dry surface, watching for those bubbles that tell you it's time to flip. The flexibility test. The lard tortilla maintains structure even when bent, traditional strength. The butter tortilla bends completely without resistance, significantly more flexible when cooled. Different fats, different results. Lard creates structure and traditional flavor. Butter creates softness and workability. Both have their place. Okay, and the result? Butter is better. That's my personal preference. Butter feels flakier, easier to work with. I could roll perfect rounds, and it is really about preference. Comment down below which method you prefer. And don't forget to tune in for next video.